which is 5 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 147, which is 19 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 2,394, which is 235 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 0, which is normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 5, which is 3 above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 63 degrees, and the normal low is 40. The record high for today is 86, which occurred in 1990, and the record low is 19, which occurred in 1969. Sunrise today is at 7:38 a.m. and sunset is at 7:29 p.m. Here is a special weather statement. Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Luan, Staley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the